Hello Tech Explorers! Today, we'll be learning how to program the Maker Board to show its built-in patterns and animations on its LED panel. Let's get started. First, connect the Maker Board to a computer or a laptop. Open a browser and go to ams.avishcar.cc. Next, click on Hardware and select the Maker Board 2.0. Once done, we can begin programming the Maker Board. First, let's add the MyProgram block to start our program. Then, insert an infinite loop block so the Maker Board continuously displays the patterns we set on its LED panel. Now, let's add the display block to show a built-in pattern of your choice. After that, include a delay block to control how long the pattern will be displayed. Next, add two more display blocks with different designs. So the Maker Board will cycle through three patterns, each showing for 1 second. Now, let's give our program a name. Save it, compile it, and upload it to the Maker Board to see the results.